She plays a mean game of poker. She's got curls in her hair. She looks good on Broadway or the middle of nowhere. She's got 3 dogs she rescued on a road trip out west. She can change a tire, build a fire, makes my heart beat out my chest. Oh, she's so like Sunday morning. She got a mind of her own, Lord. Ain't she something? Gets me high, lightning storming. I believe in the power of a woman. And she loves tequila and Jesus. She says they make her feel warm. Says things like, holy Moses, and I bless your damn heart. And she can cuss like a sailor. She gets that from her mom. But her favorite 4-letter word is love, love, love. And oh, she's so weak like Sunday morning. She got a mind of her own, Lord. Ain't she something? Gets me high like lightning storming. I believe in the power of a woman. I believe in the power of a woman. Yeah. She works like the devil, cries when she prays, but leaves a good glass of wine, can't fix anything, holds it all together. And I'm so amazed how she beat the babies, juggle crazy with a smile on her face. And she's so weak like Sunday morning. She got a mind of her own, Lord. Ain't she something? Gets me high like lightning storming. I believe in the power of a woman. I believe in the power of a woman. I believe in the power of a woman.